Witch hazel. Introduction. This article will discuss the health benefits of natural remedies for skin and other ailments. We will explore the ways that natural items can help to restore and maintain a healthy body. We will look at the potential benefits of these remedies and, for centuries, Native Americans have used various herbs and remedies for their medicinal properties. Hazel is popularly used in a range of skincare and medicinal products due to its astringent and healing properties. In this article, we will look at the advantages of using a natural tonic for both skin and various ailments. We will investigate its potential and how it can be employed in a beneficial way. Section 1. The history of witch hazel. Witch hazel has a long history of traditional use among Native Americans. Section 1. Native Americans have a long history of utilizing traditional methods. They acknowledged its curative properties and used it to treat various ailments, such as skin irritations, swelling, and bleeding. In the 19th century, American settlers used the medicinal benefits of a plant for their households. Witch hazel became a common staple in many medicine cabinets. Section 2. The science behind witch hazel. Witch hazel contains tannins, a type of compound with astringent properties. Section 2. Witch hazel has astringent properties due to its tannin content. This natural toner helps to tighten the skin and reduce pore size, making it an effective natural solution. Witch hazel has many beneficial properties for skin care. It can help reduce redness and irritation, while also providing antioxidant protection to the skin. Additionally, this natural extract has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help soothe irritated. Section 3. Benefits for skin. 3. Section 3. Original text. Morena is a superfood that is packed with nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. Rewritten text. This superfood is full of essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. 1. Acne treatment. Hamamelis, commonly known as witch hazel, is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making it a popular choice for acne treatments. It can help to clear blocked pores and reduce the overproduction of oil, thus making it a beneficial treatment for skin that is prone to breakouts. 2. Hydration. Witch hazel functions as a natural moisturizer, keeping skin hydrated and preventing dryness. It can help balance the skin's natural oil production without leading to overdryness or too much oiliness. 3. Soothes irritation. Its anti-inflammatory properties make witch hazel an excellent remedy for soothing skin irritations, such as eczema, psoriasis, and insect bites. It can help reduce redness, itching, and swelling. This treatment method is beneficial for relieving skin irritations. 4. Anti-aging. The antioxidant properties of this plant help protect the skin from oxidative stress. It can reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots, giving the skin a more youthful and glowing look. Section 4. Medical benefits. 4. Section 4. Original text. Green tea is made from the leaves of Camellia sinensis, a shrub native to China and India. Revised text. Green tea is made from the leaves of a shrub native. 1. Hemorrhoid relief. Hazel is often used topically to help reduce the discomfort caused by hemorrhoids, such as itching, swelling, and pain. Cold compresses can be a great way to reduce inflammation and shrink blood vessels, providing temporary relief. 2. Sunburn soother. Witch hazel can be used to calm skin that has been exposed to too much sun. Its cooling effect provides relief from discomfort and inflammation caused by too much sun exposure. 3. Wound healing. Witch hazel's astringent properties help to firm up the skin and control bleeding. It can be used to help with the healing of minor cuts, scrapes, and bruises. 4. Vaginal health. Witch hazel is commonly used for postpartum care and maintaining vaginal health. It can help reduce swelling, itching, and discomfort associated with postpartum or vaginal irritation. Section 5. How to use witch hazel. Witch hazel can be used in various forms, including liquid toners, creams, gels, and wipes. Section 5. Witch hazel can be used in many ways, such as in liquid toners, creams, gels, and wipes. Here are a few ways to incorporate witch hazel into your skincare routine. Use it as a skin refresher. DIY face mask. Mix together honey, lemon juice, and aloe vera gel to create a soothing and hydrating face mask. Spot treatment. Apply witch hazel directly to acne spots or irritated areas to soothe redness and inflammation. Post-shave treatment. Use witch hazel as an aftershave to soothe razor burn and reduce the risk of ingrown hairs. Conclusion. Witch hazel is a versatile and natural tonic that offers numerous benefits for both skin and various ailments. Conclusion. Witch hazel is a useful and natural remedy that offers a lot of advantages for both the skin and various illnesses. From its long history of traditional use to the scientific evidence supporting its effectiveness, this natural remedy has earned its place as a go-to solution. Incorporating certain skincare products into your routine can help improve the overall health and appearance of your skin, while also providing relief from common ailments. Explore the natural healing powers of witch hazel and experience its magic.